The truth is, you need phrasal verbs to understand and be understood in English. And they're so difficult to learn. But in this series of short lessons, you're going to learn some of the more common ones. You'll learn how to pronounce them in a fast, natural way, and also the way that native English speakers use them in everyday conversations. For a free guide to all the phrasal verbs used in this series, just click the link in the description below. If you're already a member of our English Improvers community, this will be sent to you automatically. Hi, I'm Steve. Let's do this. Today's phrasal verb is cut through. And let's start by learning how to say it in a natural way. Because the first word cut ends in a t sound, a consonant sound, and the through starts with a t sound, we don't need to pronounce the first one. So cut through becomes cut through. And at a normal speed, cut through. It should sound like one word. You try. Cut through. The first use of cut through is to move or go through something quickly and easily. If you want to go somewhere fast, you might cut through a park to save time.
Greek guy, how are you improving your English so fast?
I cut through all the nonsense and only watch Learn English Sound British videos.
Cut through can also mean to make an impact or to be noticed. Like this.
Steve's explanation of phrasal verbs really cut through the confusion I had.
Of course, cut through can also mean to slice something into two pieces. My new chainsaw will cut through the tree in a few minutes. Let's hear all the uses for cut through in one conversation. Oh no, I've cut my finger.
Quickly, let's get to the hospital. We can cut through the back streets to save time.
I hope there isn't a lot of paperwork to deal with when we get there.
I'm sure they'll cut through all that and fix your finger first.
Your English will really cut through when you start using phrasal verbs. Watch out for the next one in this series. I'll see you next time.